Today, we're doing a real AI image battle, using the same prompts, the same conditions, and one clear goal: to test realism, cinematic quality, and overall vibe. NanoBanana Pro versus the GPT image model. And honestly, after this comparison, your favorite AI tool might change. We started with a cinematic human realism test. The prompt was an ultra-realistic cinematic portrait of a young man standing in the rain at night, neon city lights reflecting on his face, shallow depth of field, and hyper-detailed skin texture. As soon as the results came in, it was obvious. NanoBanana Pro delivered a more realistic feel. The skin texture looked natural, the rain reflections felt believable, and the face had true cinematic depth. The GPT image looked good, but it still had a slight AI-generated vibe. This round clearly went to NanoBanana Pro. Next, we tested a movie-style cinematic scene, a lone warrior walking through a burning medieval battlefield with flying embers, volumetric smoke, and epic lighting. Here's where things got interesting. The GPT image model wasn't properly working on this prompt inside LM Arena, while NanoBanana Pro produced a clean, cinematic film still style result. Technically and visually, NanoBanana Pro won this round. Then came one of the most important tests: text handling. The prompt was a futuristic Times Square billboard displaying the text, "AI is changing everything," with clean, readable typography and realistic city lighting. This time, both tools handled the text well. The letters were readable and sharp, but neither output felt truly photorealistic. The results were better, but realism was still missing, so this round was a tie. After that, we moved into the horror test, and this is my niche. The prompt was a terrifying scene inside an abandoned hospital corridor with flickering lights, deep shadows, and a ghostly figure at the end of the hallway. This is where the GPT image model flipped the game. The lighting felt more unsettling, the shadows were creepier, and the overall atmosphere was genuinely disturbing. NanoBanana Pro did a good job, but in pure horror realism, GPT clearly won this round. The final test was sci-fi character design, an ultra-detailed futuristic android with human-like emotions, glowing blue eyes, and a cyberpunk city background. Here, NanoBanana Pro made a strong comeback. The android's emotions felt more balanced, the metal skin looked more realistic, and the overall character design felt more cinematic. The GPT result blended human and robot features in a slightly confusing way. This round went to NanoBanana Pro. So, here's the final verdict. If you're creating cinematic humans, movie-style visuals, or sci-fi characters, NanoBanana Pro is insane. But if you're working in the AI horror niche, creating creepy shorts or dark cinematic scenes, the GPT image model is still a dangerous tool. If you want all these prompts in a copy-paste format, or you want to see the next comparison, maybe AI video versus AI images, comment "Send prompts" below. And don't forget to follow Master AI Hub, because here, AI isn't just cool, it's powerful.